Hey friends, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be sharing like stock market details, guys. So in today's I will be sharing top application like every person should have in a mobile phone. You might be like investing, you might be beginner investor, you might be advanced level investor, you might be like coder investing. So these are 5 applications which helps you like pro today in application, guys. So do have financial background, financial assistant for you guys. So don't skip the video, watch till the end, guys. So I have made tons of video on financial. If you don't know what is investment, how to invest, what is stock market, what is mutual fund, what is bit currency, do check out my playlist, guys. Link in IKEA. Do check out that. You'll get clear understanding what is stock market, how to invest, guys. Now let's get in the video, guys. The first thing I want to start with money control application, guys. So money control application is in my experience, I can say is the best application which I ever observed, guys. So reason because in money control you might be having like each and every pot there. Let's say if you want to invest in Reliance market, so you need to set a target over there. So once you get some kind of alert message if the amount is reached to target level, so you can able to buy those products, guys. So the first thing which I want to suggest with you. The second thing, guys, so you can link your the stock which you brought from the any kind of application like Zero Up Stocks. You can link those contacts to money control where each and every person can able to display money control, guys. So you can just go to one application like each and every parts of the revenue and profits and loss in your the current balance. The third thing which I observe money control, guys. So in money control you will be getting some news feeds out relating trade market. So it gives me very much important for the students and the working professional instead of going and Google searching for some kind of things, you will be getting everything under one application, guys. So that's the reason this is first in my list. So it will be useful for you guys if you install for the application. The second application, guys, economic trends application. So I didn't use this application, but while before showing this, I did some research in Google, guys. So everywhere I just noticed economic trends the best application. So even because to shoot this, I just install application. So even it works same as money control, guys. So only difference, but money control, economic trends has own news articles where you're getting each and every updates of the news trading options, etc., guys. So that's the reason this is second on my list. So even if you want to, you can give a try, guys. The third application, guys, CMCT application. So even I'm not much about experience in the CMB's application, but I had few of my friends using the application. They said it's a good application for the beginners. So if a beginner to stock market, if you need to get some kind of updates regarding stock market trading and mutual funds, you can go for it, guys. So the third one in my list. The fourth one, guys, Investingcom. This is the best application you will be availing in. Even they have own website in investing.com. The best application, guys. So even it's algorithm same as the money control where you will be listing each and every assets of the company over there. If you want to buy, let's say if you want to buy Bell stock, so you need to click on Bell and you just need to click on updates when the price alert is going down, when the price alert is going to increase, hike. So you can able to monitor all those things, guys. So even in investing.com you have various options of they will recommend some kind of stocks of preference for you. So you can buy those things if you have belief on that. So that's the reason is a fourth in my list, guys. So for beginners I would suggest this application, guys. You can go for it. The final thing, guys, stock edge application. So even I don't have much experience of the application. So out of my articles and reading research before shooting video, I had this application in my list, guys. So people over there mentioned it's a good application. So even I didn't try the application. So I feel like it's a good application. Even I had a review in Google. It's have around 4.2 rating, I guess. So it's a good application for the stock market. You want to invest in stock, guys. So you can able to use this application. You can monitor all the kind of stocks you are using for your daily life, guys. So one thing I want to say before ending this video, guys. So you might be interested what kind of application. It does not matter. So it's all matter UI, guys. So in my opinion, I just want the UI which has so in my opinion, guys, I don't have any particular demand on UI. I just need to things done quicker and easier, guys. So for that reason I use money control. So money control is not good UI. So they have basic UI, but you will be getting all kind of stuff over there, news and articles. So you'll have various stuff over there. So that's why I prefer money control, guys. So let's say if my friend, so my friend is he just want everything in perfectly organized manner. He just need to design a manner. So for that reason he used to use stock edge application, guys. So as I said before, it depends on the person. So just see what kind of things you are requiring, so what kind of things feel free to work on for you. So take decision and install application, guys. So these are the 5 applications which I want to share with you, guys. So these are the top 5 applications in my list. So I hope this video helps you guys. So as I said before, like if you want some tips on investment, do check out my playlist link in iCat. You will get clear understanding how to invest in stock, how to invest in mutual fund, guys. That's it from today's video, guys. We'll meet you soon. Bye.